What's up, everybody? I just got a call from a lady. Her hot water tank busted, and she want me to come fix the sheetrock in it, repair the sheetrock, and paint the garage. So I'm about to go out here and check it out, see what material I need, get it loaded up, come back and do the job. So stay tuned. Peace. Okay, I done made it to my client's house. I'm gonna repair this wall right here. I'm gonna repair this wall right here. I'm gonna replace the sheetrock on this thing where the hot water tank sit at. And I'm gonna replace some of the sheetrock around here where it's molded at. Okay, I'm at Lowe's. I got everything loaded up. Got my sheetrock. Got the sheetrock, corner bead, mud, tape, paint. Got everything I need to do this little job. So stay tuned. Okay, I done made it back. I done got started tearing out the sheetrock. This is where I'm at. So I got it squared up, got it tore out. I tore this little thing, tore the sheetrock off this little thing over here where the sheetrock was at. I mean, where the hot water tank was at. Now I'm gonna cut this wall out right here. Wall that mold at right there. And replace that sheetrock right there. Okay, I'm gonna start cutting this sheetrock and putting it back in place. So now I'm gonna cut some sheetrock. I gotta cut it 45 and a half. So I'm gonna go over there and mark it and cut it. Take this pencil and draw a straight line. That's how you cut sheetrock. Okay, I just got my first piece hung. Okay, I just about got all this sheetrock hung. I got one more piece to hang, but this is what I'm at right here. Got the sheetrock put back in. Got my little box ready. Got put my little piece on the top of the box right there. I came right here, took care of all that. I just got to put my top piece on. So, as far as the sheetrock go, I just got one more piece to do, and I'll be through with that. Then I'm gonna mud and tape it. Then I'm gonna paint the rest of the garage. So, okay, I'm doing a little sheetrock mudding, a little finishing. I already started, but I still got some more to do. Okay, I ain't gonna show y'all this whole process, so stay tuned for the next step. Okay, I got my finishing done. Well, I got my mud work done. I gotta come back and put another coat of mud on top of the tape. Got my little spot over here where my hot water tank sit at. It's about 1 o'clock. I'm gonna take me a lunch break. Give me something to eat, come back and start painting. I'm gonna paint everything. I'm gonna paint this garage. I'm gonna paint everything except that spot right there that I did. I'm gonna paint this stuff over here. Paint all the other walls. Then tomorrow morning I come back and paint that one wall. So I'm gonna go grab me some lunch and I'll see y'all after lunch. Okay, I just started painting, cutting in around my boxes and stuff like that. So okay, I done started my painting. I painted this wall right here. I stopped at that corner right there. I gotta do that wall right there. I gotta do my sheetrock wall too. But I'm gonna put some more mud on that wall. I did this wall right here. So now I'm gonna do this wall right here. And put some more mud on this wall and call it a day. All right, y'all. I'm about done. All I can do today. I got my walls painted. I'm gonna come back in the morning and do this wall right here. But I got everything else painted. I'm gonna do this front wall tomorrow too. But I should be here maybe a couple hours tomorrow in the morning, and I'll be done. Right now I'm finna clean up all my mess, sweep up a little bit, collect my money and get out of here. Peace out, y'all.